Hello everyone! Are you wondering how to introduce a new kitten to an older cat? Let's explore! Introducing a new kitten to an older cat can be a gradual process that requires patience and careful planning to ensure a smooth transition and minimize stress for both cats. Firstly, it's essential to set up a separate space for the new kitten to acclimate to their new environment without overwhelming the older cat. This space should include all the necessities, such as food, water, litter box, bedding, and toys, in a quiet and secure area of the house. Once the new kitten has settled into their space, begin introducing their scent to the older cat by swapping bedding or rubbing a cloth on each cat and then placing it in the other cat's area. This helps familiarize the cats with each other's scent and can reduce anxiety during the introduction process. Next, allow the cats to interact with each other through a barrier, such as a baby gate or pet carrier, so they can see and smell each other without direct contact. Supervise these interactions closely and watch for any signs of aggression or stress from either cat. As the cats become more comfortable with each other's presence, gradually increase their supervised interactions by allowing them to interact in the same room while still providing opportunities for separation if needed. Use positive reinforcement techniques such as treats, toys, and praise to reward calm and friendly behavior from both cats. It's essential to monitor the cat's body language and behavior during the introduction process and be prepared to intervene if any signs of aggression or tension arise. If necessary, separate the cats and provide them with time to calm down before attempting to reintroduce them. Additionally, ensure that each cat has their own resources, such as food bowls, water bowls, and litter boxes, to prevent resource guarding and reduce potential conflicts over territory. With patience, consistency, and gradual introductions, most cats can learn to coexist peacefully and even develop close bonds with each other over time. However, it's essential to respect each cat's individual personality and preferences and allow them to adjust to the new dynamic at their own pace. In summary, introducing a new kitten to an older cat requires patience, careful planning, and gradual introductions to minimize stress and promote positive interactions between the cats. By following these steps and monitoring the cat's behavior closely, you can help ensure a harmonious relationship between your feline companions. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon, so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.